Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, eastern Franklin County in northwestern Alabama, Lawrence County in northwestern Alabama, until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Campbell, or 10 miles southwest of Russellville, moving east per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Russellville, Moulton, Campbell, Town Creek, Littleville, Cortland, North Cortland, Mount Hope, Cleveland Springs, and Log Range. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Standard Time for north central and northwestern Alabama. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Lawrence, Alabama.
At night.